Hi guys, it's Jennifer. Welcome back to my Flagstaff home. I'm here today to show you how to make your own meal planning system that will make your weekly meal planning sessions a snap. So come along. But first, if you're not a subscriber to my Flagstaff home, I would encourage you to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, and YouTube will let you know when I upload new videos. Okay, so I don't know about you, but I have been looking for a while for a system that worked for me for planning my meals for the week. Usually I just kind of start thinking through some recipes and, oh, this might be good and this might be good, and I'll jot down some items on my grocery list, but then I kind of forget which recipes I thought I was going to make, and then I wonder why I have this red bell pepper in my refrigerator that's wilting, and so I wanted to come up with a system that would allow me to pick out my recipes and have them someplace one day a week. Then I can plan my grocery trip and then just kind of know what my plan's going to be for the week. One problem I had though is that I was using a written system and I would inevitably change my mind on what I wanted to have, and so then I had to end up scribbling it out and you know, writing new things in. So I really wanted something that was interchangeable, and I found a system that has really been working for me. So let me go ahead and show you what this looks like and how to make it. Okay, so this is just on the side of my refrigerator, and what we have here is an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. So just pick some design that maybe matches your kitchen or is appealing to you. And I attached mine with little magnets in the corners. Now, I had seen an example of something like this where they got one of those magnet sheets, but I found that other magnets didn't stick to that background with paper over the top, and so I decided to go this way. So what I have in the corner are these strong magnets. I'll put a link for you in the space below where I got these on Amazon. They're very strong. And I just cut out a little circle in the same color as this so that when I put these up here, the magnets are not very noticeable. So I just have one in each corner. Okay. So then I have the What's for Dinner sign that's right here, and I have it backed on a piece of plain brown paper to kind of offset it. And over here I have a pocket. I'll tell you about in the pocket in a second. And then I have these little bottle caps that each one of these is in itself magnetic, but I find that it sticks better if I put a stronger magnet on the back. So I'm going to also put a link for you in the space below where I found these little bottle caps, and they were not very expensive for way more bottle caps than you're gonna need for this, but I'll put that in the space below. And I glued the magnet onto this so that it sticks, and then put the days of the week in here. I will put a link as well to where you can download these different things here, and so then you can just print them out and use those. So I have one for each day of the week, and then as you can see, I have my different menu items for this week that are held onto the board by the magnet for the day of the week. So I used vellum for printing these out, but you don't have to. You can use just whatever kind of paper you have. But what I did is I thought through all of the menu items that we typically have in our house, kind of the regulars. So pizza and salad, a meal salad, appetizer and salad. It looks like all the ones you're looking at right now are salads. I have sandwich or panini, tacos or tostadas, rice and beans, nachos or quesadillas, breakfast for dinner. So I just have all kinds of different things in here. Soup, pasta dish, I have gnocchi dish. So I didn't get really specific because I don't want to limit myself or have to have one of these for every single recipe I ever cook. Now you can see here I put question mark down because that might be that we're this might be that we're going out to dinner. I also have one of these in here that says new recipe. So if I want to try a new recipe, I don't have to exactly know what it is at the time I'm doing my meal planning. I just put it on here. So it's a really nice system of planning, because then these can all be moved around. If we happen to get invited over to a friend's house on Monday night and we're not going to end up doing this, it doesn't matter. I can take this and I can move it to another place on my meal planner. So as I said before, I'm going to have a link in the space below. It's going to take you over to my blog, where I will show the instructions again, and there will also be a link where you can download these different words for your meal planner. Well, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'd love to have you come back and follow me on my Flagstaff home. So remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and I hope I'll see you again. Take care, you guys. Bye-bye.